My company's name is PowerWorks, and my name is Joseph Hoffman. I'll just write it down. I started working on cars' engines when I was around like 12 years old. And over the last 10 years, I've been developing an idea for a new valve technology for the internal combustion engine. I'm a mechanic and a welder, fabricator during my day jobs. And this is a new technology that allows the driver to have unprecedented control at every RPM level. And we'll be specifically targeting the performance car market with a mindset for efficiency. That's the main goal out of any engine or anything that we're going for. Basically, if you're interested in a brand new area of mechanical innovation and have a passion for new ideas and love engines, I would welcome anybody coming and talking with me about that. And basically, I need anybody who's great with mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, fluid dynamics, and then just to kind of, if anybody's interested in that kind of stuff. So.
Cool. Good job.
We are PowerWorks Motor Technologies, and we're introducing a new valve technology for the internal combustion engine. As you can see, this is the old technology that is in every single one of your engines of every person sitting here. As you can see, it's very complicated. There are a lot of parts and just things, potential problems that could go wrong. And that's where we come in. The new system utilizes only 20 parts, and the old system takes about 150 moving parts to make it successful. So, along with that, you get increased fuel efficiency, increased power, torque, reduced emissions, and over the course of the lifetime of your car, you won't have to get it serviced, so it lowers the cost of actually going into your dealership and making getting basically all the repairs and everything that you would need. Half the parts are gone, so or more than half. So how are we going to revolutionize the internal combustion engine?
Well, first of all, in the history of the automotive market, what you see is when products are introduced, they typically go into the performance market. This is kind of the early adopter stage where you see these performance products get rigorously tested and adopted by people like racing teams, weekend racers, performance car owners, and tuning shops. So this is where we would really plan to introduce the product so that we can prepare ourselves for mass adoption. Just to give you an example, Mercedes-Benz spent $178 million in 2011 alone on their Formula One engine division. $178 million on a single high-performance product. So what we did over the weekend actually is we talked to a couple people, a high-performance car owner, and actually my business partner who is a manufacturer of performance off-road racing products. And basically what it comes down to with these people is performance is the difference between winning and losing, and if it's going to help you win, they want to try it. So people are interested in this idea, they want to see it implemented. So that prepares us for the global market. And with the global market, there are a few different opportunities there. Pretty much, it's almost intuitive that people want higher fuel efficiency, and they want more power out of their car. So essentially what we'd be looking at is new car buyers, and the way that we would get it to the new car buyers is we would scale the technology and get cost reduction through mass production. The way we do that in an industry like the auto industry is we essentially license the technology to those large manufacturers who are looking to gain a competitive edge with their customers. Something we did is a little bit of background research just to show what consumers are looking for is 58% of consumers are willing to actually spend more on their car if it would be more fuel efficient. And but only 27% of them are actually willing to compromise performance. And what this product does is actually give you more of both.
All right.
And as far as the implementation process, I'm working on filing a provisional, what do you call it? There you go. The provisional patent process right now. So for a feasibility study, we need to, make a product. Obviously, to test it is just in the design stages right now. And so we need to assemble a team of people to determine what every single last component. I have a pretty decent amount of knowledge in what it takes to make it happen. I know fairly certain what exactly it needs, but you always need people to help you and to get outside advice and help implement it. And then the engineering feasibility, the cost and financial model, the prototype development. I need people to develop the fully rendered model and build, test, work, prototype.